So, back again. Or, well, I never really left, but Rains, I'm gonna do his, song, I Love You. You know, he already has a friggin' repackage. It's another thing, or it's probably one of the things I dislike about K-pop is how they always have repackages. And it's just for one song when they could literally just release it as a digital single. Or a single. But Rains, I Love You, I was supposed to do reactions to his, last song and, Dirty Sexy, but I've seen them a bit too much on television, so, like, yeah, but I really did like last song. Here we go. And this is gonna be kind of like a ballad. Ooh, that is a really nice bookshelf. That's a nice bookshelf. The one that kind of envelops the closet. Oh, my wrist is really hurting. I slept on it wrong, and like every time I move my thumb, like really forward, down, and back, it like shocks me. Real. Oh, I hated that hair. But for some reason it looks good on him. Oh snap, oh snap, oh snap. Ooh. White people. Well, that girl with the blonde hair kind of looked like Mirren from Tint. I'm guessing that was on, I know he had a reality TV show, like, shortly before his comeback, but I didn't watch it. I was supposed to, I think it was called The Rain Effect? No, it's the name of the album. I don't know what it was called. The Rain Show? Oh. It's the first time he showed his abs in the whole video. He is scraping the bottom of that jar pot. Oh. I would say Kim Taehui's lucky, but then he's lucky to have Kim Taehui too, like... Just imagine what their children are gonna look like. And if they become like idols and stuff, they can be a threat. Holy crap. They'll probably be like super gorgeous. Oh, that was his performance at the Mama Awards. Monitoring his videos. Oh, is that him? Whew. that ending, like, topped it off. I think if it just ended, like... Sorry, again, I'm going through the comments. Let's see if someone just commented saying, this is a song for his dog, because his dog was, you know, in the video a lot, but this is another one of those ambiguous songs, you know, could be for his, what's that called? What am I looking at? Oh, shoot. Could be for his wife, Kim Taehui, or, you know, it could be for the fans, the clouds. Either way, still the same. Really isn't much to say about this song. I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory. You read the lyrics, you know, and the end of the song, just, you know, it's a thank you. And, okay, you know how I said in the beginning, I don't like repackages. I don't. They're kind of annoying, because sometimes the repackaged album looks better than the first one. But if it's something like this, where it's like a thank you song, then maybe he still could have released it as a, you know, regular single, had some photo book, like a little photo book, some photo cards. But yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and whatnot down below in the description box. Bye.